video.
You got hair on your lotion. I mean, hair, lotion on your hair.
Action.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jaylee B. And as you can see, my stylist is just straight to the point. So we just, no introduction, just straight to the point. This is a 2-strand twist tutorial. So, yeah.
So you're not gonna introduce me?
Oh, yeah. This is my friend from high school, Danielle.
Danny Cake
Kudos to her. She done got all, okay. But anyways, she got all the hair products over here, so, and I did pay, so it costs money to look good, amen? So,
$45?
okay, wasn't that much.
For a press?
It wasn't that much. But as you can see, I look a hot mess, so she finna fix me.
Yeah. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at bishop.danny with 2 Y's. So yeah, make sure y'all follow me and show love. Alright. First, what you do, you always put water on your hair. Before you do any style, if you're natural, you always put water on your hair regardless. So make sure it's moisturized. You heard that?
Moisturize. There you go.
I'm gonna hit him up with some water, you feel me? Aquafina. Just a little shower, you know.
Right. Yeah, let me move my laptop. If y'all can't see, my laptop is right here.
It's alright. It's a little waterproof.
Yeah. I hope so.
Yeah, so.
As you can see, she's getting it really moist.
You got to. You gotta hit the center too, because the center.
Yep. Y'all can't see it's dripping on my clothes now, but it's fine because it's gonna dry. So.
What I want to use today is the Extreme.
Wait, is it backwards? Oh, it's both sides. My bad.
It's the Extreme Styling Gel. If you're natural, you would know. Like, it's a lot of reviews on YouTube about this.
It is.
It has aloe vera in it. It's alcohol free. It has UV filter on it, which is like with the sunlight. I really don't actually know, but yeah. So it really works good, like keeping your curls if you're natural, and twist outs, which that's what we're doing today. Another product that I'm using is the leave-in rinse conditioner. Most definitely amazing. Shea Moisture has always been my #1 since I was natural. I started going natural when I was 6. Cut all my hair off. Perm is not it. Perm is not it. I went completely bald. Another product that I'm using is the Cool Stretch Pudding. And excuse me. But yeah, stretch pudding's amazing. You feel me? It kind of stretches. They be lying. And then just a little moisture grow. I love this product as well. It's amazing. It just makes it moist, like it says. Moisture grow, and it is hard. It's like coconut or oil, so like it's very oily, but it's amazing. So can't complain. You guys, Josh has colored his hair, which is very bad.
Why is that bad?
Beads. It's bad. Just look.
You see, so your hair is supposed to fall out.
No.
Your hair, I think it's like 80 to 100 strands a day is supposed to fall out.
Yes.
Allegedly.
But let me just say, I should send him a picture so he can put it in here. Then like, when my hair, I had this exact same color.
Right. I remember.
It is bad. My hair broke off. If you do not take care of your hair with color, it will break off. See, he's already lost his curls because of it's like stripping your hair follicles.
Yeah. Well, one thing, I'm not gonna cut my hair, so
don't cut your
everybody
hair.
knows that.
Don't cut your hair.
I was waiting on the black to fully grow back.
Yes. You know, you see the roots. Y'all probably can't see the roots, but the roots, they're amazing because he doesn't have color. I'm gonna start off by now detangling. If you do not know what I've already added to it, I just added the leave-in rinse conditioner. It's not really rinse, it's leave-in too. And yeah, So with two-strand twisting, you want to always detangle because you want it to be defined. They have to be separated and make sure your hair is most definitely detangled.
Yeah, see my hair, it really curls up, even with just water. So, yeah. Sorry about that.
Any product, it's gonna make your hair curly.
Yeah.
You know, some people are not blessed with curly hair, which is alright.
But I was, you know, so.
It's like having a full-blown job.
Yeah, it is, to be honest. That's why I wear like a lot of hats, so I don't have to do my hair. But when I do my hair.
And then in high school,
like,
oh my gosh, my up and down hairdo. I had to let that go.
Half up, half down.
Always, 24/7, like, it's bad. See that? This part's amazing. And y'all can get it at Target or Walmart. You know, it's gonna be expensive, but you know, if you want your hair to be moisturized and defined, you might as well go ahead and go shake moisture. I'm not no sponsor. Cantu is not it either. Leave Cantu alone.
But see, I be using Cantu. I use Cantu, so you can't do that.
No.
Sometimes I use
Cantu has alcohol in it. And alcohol is very, very bad for your hair.
So as you all can see, we're almost done. Really. And wow, the towel. Wow.
I'm so sorry,
The
y'all.
towel.
I'm late with the towel.
Yeah, she is very late with the towel.
It's
Very
okay.
late.
I mean,
But this is just a hairstyle, you know, you can wear in the summer, because I know people with hair like me, they have like even longer hair. It's like really hot in the summertime. And you don't want heat damage, because that looks bad in the fro. It looks very bad.
it really does. And like, oh my gosh.
But as you can see, you do want to do the towel in the beginning. She didn't do that.
See what had happened was,
Yeah, so as you can see, guys, still twisting here. We have over half a side done now.
yes.
And it's gonna look pretty good. And as I was saying, this is just one of my favorite hairstyles, protective styles, and especially good for the summer, like I said, when the sun's out. Yeah.
And yeah, ladies, this is the best for like a twist out. Well, not for everybody. You know, everybody's hair doesn't curl up. But if your hair is naturally curly, kinky curly, this is a perfect hairstyle. You do it at night, and then you basically take it down. You have to make sure it's dry though. When it's dry, then you take it down. You take some oil, you rub it on your hand, you caress the ends to make sure that they're also oiled, and then you take them apart so you don't want to break your ends off. So that's another thing that I do. I really personally, I don't like doing twist outs anymore on my hair because my hair is in a bob now because I had to cut my hair off because I had color. Alright, so we're done. So I just put some more water on it at the end, and then I put this on there. Dip the ends so they can be curly, you know. Then I hit him with some more water, because you know, moisture, period, always. Close it all in, and we're done. So
Pretty much. That's it.
you feel me? Well, you guys, thank you for tuning in for my twist out. Well, not really twist out, but twist on Josh, Jay,
Whatever it is.
Lee,
Like, comment.
V.
Like, comment, and subscribe. All that good stuff. All that good stuff. More videos on the way. Stay strong. Get right to good.
Stay tuned. Period.
Yeah.